Welcome to ClickMyProject. Our project title is the Structural Identity Representation Learning for the Blockchain Enabled Metaverse based on the Complex Network Analysis. This is our abstract. In recent times, the metaverse, the blockchain technology, the underpins it have been received a great deal of attention. How to mine, analyze, and examine the vast amount of data produced by the metaverse system has presented many difficulties. To overcome these, we primarily concentrate on modeling and structural knowledge of the blockchain transaction network identification perspective, which embodies the network as well as the whole framework and demonstrate the connection between the various things. In this we examine three systems connected: non-functional Bitcoin, Ethereum, and NFT. In design project is designed to predict the future of the cryptocurrency values by using the deep learning, that is LSTM. Outputs are calculated using the LSTM model. Finally, calculate the accuracy, loss, as well as the prediction for the future days. Our objectives: design a cryptocurrency predictor for the future, and then implement the data mining in the deep learning, enhance the performance analysis. This is our flow diagram. We use the data set as cryptocurrency data set. From the data, we want to select the data and then pre-processing it by the two steps: handling missing values and label encoding. Then feature extraction. Here we taken as the closed value and open value, and data and is the features. After selecting the features, we want to classify it by using the LSTM deep learning model. Then resizing the model and compile it and fit the model by using LSTM and predict for the future 30 days or 15 days. Performance is accuracy and loss. And this is the system architecture. From the data set, we want to pre-process it and split the data by the train and test data 8:2, and then feature extraction. In classification, use the deep learning model, LSTM model, and prediction performance analysis. We have to calculate the RMSE and MSE and R2 square. This is the overall flow. From the data, we want to select particular data and pre-process it, split the data and feature extract it, and classification, apply the CNN and prediction. Finally, calculate the accuracy and the loss. Use case diagram. From the user point of view, first we want to select and pre-process, split and extract, classification, performance analysis. This one is the ER architecture. From the start point, first one is the load and then select the data, pre-process and split it, feature extraction, classification, performance analysis. Finally, predict the accuracy and loss for the values. After executing our main code, we want to find the total number of days in the data set, and then find the total number of field. Then these two are the pre-processing process. We have to find the null values and then NA values. Here we have the data set from the particular date and the end with the particular date. We want to classify which date it starts from and which date it's end from. So 2014 to 2012. It's a shape of our data set, and then it's a prediction. Total number of days it's having predicted. And then we want to split the data. X train and Y train, X test and Y test. After fitting the LSTM, we have to run the epochies for the more accuracies. Here we have the 200 epochies. First one is the loss, and then validation accuracy, and then validation loss is calculated. After this, we have to find that training and validation loss in this graph. And finally, predict the value for the future of the cryptocurrency.